Look, we all want to level up our looks and look more attractive, but you don't need a $100 skincare routine to do it. In fact, the ultimate grooming cheat code is probably sitting in your bathroom right now for less than $5. Vaseline. Today, I'm showing you 5 insane Vaseline tricks that will instantly boost your facial features and grooming game. But listen carefully, if you use it the wrong way during these hot summer months, you can actually destroy your skin. Stick around until the end so you don't make these critical mistakes. Let's dive in. Trick 1. The late night eye reset. Erasing those late night dark spots. Let's be real, between late night study sessions or endlessly scrolling on social media, dark spots and tired eyes are killing your facial attractiveness. Summer heat only makes it look worse. Before you head to sleep, take a tiny dab of Vaseline and gently apply it right under your eyes. It locks in massive moisture overnight, keeping the skin clean, hydrated, and refreshed by morning so you don't look like a zombie. Trick 2. The masculine brow hack. Trick. Take a look at these two styles. Which one looks more attractive? Obviously the second one. Thick, sharp, and structured eyebrows instantly give you a more dominant masculine look. Instead of buying expensive brow gels, just take a tiny bit of Vaseline on your fingertips. Apply it gently from the inner corner of your brow all the way to the outer edge. Do this daily to train your brow hairs to stay in place and look naturally thicker. Trick 3. The 24-hour fragrance multiplier. Making your cheap cologne last all day. It doesn't matter how expensive your perfume is. Sweat and hot air cause the fragrance to evaporate right off your body within a few hours. Stop wasting your money. Try this instead. Place a small container of Vaseline in a bowl of warm water for about 10 minutes until it softens up. Let it cool slightly. Then spray a few pumps of your favorite fragrance directly into it and mix. Your custom solid perfume is ready. Rub it right onto your wrists and your neck. Petroleum jelly doesn't evaporate, meaning you'll smell incredible all day long. Trick number 4. Fixing dry, ruined lips. Chapped, flaky lips are the very first thing people notice when you talk, and it completely ruins your overall appearance. Here's the quick fix. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline over your lips. Let it sit for just 2 minutes. This gently exfoliates away all the dead skin cells, leaving your lips perfectly smooth, healthy, and glowing. Trick number 5. Preventing painful workout chafing. If you're hitting home workouts, running, or staying active in the heat, skin friction is a nightmare. Chafing on your inner thighs, upper arms, or chest can ruin your routine. Simply swipe a thin layer of Vaseline on those friction-prone trouble areas before you start moving for instant protection. The critical summer warning. Now, remember that summer warning I gave you? Vaseline is a heavy occlusive. This means it creates a barrier. Do not smear a thick layer of Vaseline all over your face on a hot, sweaty summer day. It will trap your sweat, clog your pores, and cause massive breakouts. Keep your applications targeted to the specific spots we talked about. Drop a comment below with which trick you're trying first. Smash that subscribe button for more quick grooming blueprints, and I'll see you in the next video.